cream of chicken soup. It is so easy, it's fairly cheap, it's absolutely delicious. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with this lovely, delicious, winter warmer, comforting soup. Okay, let's get started with these ingredients. There's a few more to go in as well, but first of all, let's look at our chicken. Now I've got chicken with skin and bone in, and I'm using some legs and some wings. You can use any part of the chicken if you want. So what you could do is get a whole chicken, chop it up and use that, like a 1 kg or a 2.2 pound type chicken will do it. But I'm just using these bits here. Some potatoes, salt, pepper, celery. This is celery salt, which is fantastic in this. There's like 2 teaspoons there. A tablespoon of garlic and 1 onion. And you can chop it up however you want because we're going to be, of course, liquidizing this. Let's get to the cooker and get this started. Like I said, there is a few more ingredients to go in. It's a bit later. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is a large pot, and in there I've got some oil. I'm using an olive oil. You can use anything you want. Let's drop in our chicken. And like I say, I've just got legs and wings, but use any part of the chicken that you want. We're on a above medium heat, and we're going to go for about 5 minutes, stirring it every now and then. Okay, so that's like 5 minutes, just got a bit of colour on the chicken. We're now going to add the onion, the celery, the potatoes, our chopped garlic, the celery salt, and the salt and pepper. And we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. So this is coming together beautifully. What we're going to do now is we're going to add some water. Drop more here. So enough to sort of cover it over. I'm going to get a lid on this, and you're just going to let it go now for 30 minutes on the same above medium heat. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat off for a moment. Off comes the lid. Let me get some steam out of there. Now what we need to do is get our chicken out. Just pick it up with some tongs like I'm using here. Get all the chicken out. And then what we need to do is let it cool down a little bit. And then we need to get all of the meat separated from the bone. If you want, you can use the skin, which I'm going to. I like the skin in my soup. Some people don't, so you can just discard the bone and the skin. But yeah, I like the skin in here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let this cool down, separate it out, then we're back. So while our chicken is cooling down, I'm going to liquidize the soup now, the balance in there, the vegetables. Now I've got one of those submergible mixers. You put it in and it will do it. You can use a multi-chef or something. Anyway, let me do that, then I'm back. There you go. So that's a beautiful looking consistency. I love that. Next up, we're going to add some cream to it. Now I've got some thick cooking cream. You can use single cream or double cream, meaning, because I know you Americans don't say that, you can use a thick or a thin cream. It makes no difference at all. I'm going to mix that in, and I'm also, which I love in here, going to add some cream cheese, like, you know, a big lump of Philadelphia cheese. Just going to mix that around, it'll melt in there. And if you want, you could stick your machine back in and give it a little whiz, but yeah, it will just melt in there, just with the heat. And that's it. I'm just going to sort the chicken out, and we're pretty much done. So, The cream and the cream cheese has turned that into a beautiful, beautiful soup. Absolutely delicious. Now, I've got my chicken ready. Taken all of the meat off the bone. Now, that's fairly chunky. You might want to chop that up a little bit if you want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in just like that. We're going to give that a little mix. And we're done. That's a really simple, classic cream of chicken soup. Delicious. Check it for salt. It's going to be great for me. Let me get that in a bowl. And there we have it. Beautiful. A little bit of paprika on the top, so I look like I know what I'm doing. That is really good. Really, really good. Comforting, beautiful, easy cream of chicken soup. Hope you enjoy that. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.